First step, open Instagram and you have to take the screenshot of your Instagram profile. And the next step, you have to open friends, open Picsart app. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select edit a photo and select your screenshot. Then these are screenshot. First step, tap on tools. Now select the crop option. It's very simple and easy tutorial. Simply start cropping to here like this. Now tap on tick. Okay, perfect. The first step, you have to go to add photo and select the paper tear png. This is the paper tear png. Simply stretch it and you have to keep it perfectly in this position here. Okay, simply keep here. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select your model image. Model image, simply stretch it, arrange it like this. Now tap on layers, tap on mode on and keep it perfectly like I'm doing now. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, select the restore option, increase the hardness and draw. Friends, it is perfect. You can see. Now tap on tick, tap on tick. Finally, our tutorial is completed. You can see very simple and easy, the before and this is a final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.